Hi, I'm Andy Mitchell, Chair of Peterborough Public Health. Today, we had our last formal briefing on COVID 19. Additional briefings will be held going forward on an as need basis. I'd like to take the opportunity to thank all those who during the past 2 years have participated in these particular briefings. And particularly, I'd like to mention the media who have come to all of these meetings and helped to send messages that were very important to the public in Peterborough and Peterborough County. During the past 2 years, the battle against COVID 19 has been waged on two fronts. The first has been at a societal level, with an aim to ensure our healthcare system was not overwhelmed. Public health measures like business closures, capacity limits, and vaccine passports were put in place to keep the overall numbers down and our healthcare system able to cope with hospitalizations and ICU admissions. The province has indicated that, at the present time, our healthcare system is coping and not at risk. Accordingly, many of the societal measures have been stood down. We must, however, remain prepared and vigilant as new variants and changing circumstances are possible. The fight against COVID 19 has also been happening at an individual level. Measures have been introduced to provide each of us tools to protect ourselves, our families, and our friends. This has included things like physical distancing, masking, good hand hygiene, staying home if ill, and most importantly, getting a full course of vaccines. The individual battle needs to be maintained as COVID continues to circulate in our region. Each of us needs to consider our personal risk and the risk to those around us when deciding on our individual actions. For example, the decision to attend a large sporting event may be influenced by whether we live with an immunocompromised individual, whether we live with individuals unable or not eligible to be vaccinated, or perhaps if we plan to visit an elderly relative in a long-term care facility. The watchword is to be prudent. Continue to protect yourselves and those around you, and appreciate that COVID continues to be an unwelcomed part of our community. Stay well, be safe, and in all things, be kind. Thank you.